Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Guitar. In today's video, we will learn about the steps to install MySQL latest version 8.0.36 on our computer PC, and also install MySQL Server Shell as well as Workbench. Let's start the video. MySQL installation. Open your PC's web browser. Type MySQL in the search bar and press enter. Open the first official website. Now go to the download menu on the screen. After going to downloads, scroll down the screen. Click the following MySQL community downloads. Under MySQL community downloads, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Scroll the screen. On the screen, you have to select the latest version. Select your operating system. Here you will see two versions. Choose the second option from this. Click on Download option. At the bottom of the screen, click on No thanks, just start my download. The installation will start. MySQL installation setup. Once installed, open it. Now you have to choose the setup type. To find out exactly what we are installing, click on Custom and then click on Next. Now on the next page, we have to select the products. Go to Available Products, click on the drop-down under MySQL Server. Now click on MySQL 8.0, and here it is 64-bit. Now drag the product. Go to the second application MySQL Workbench, and then click on MySQL Workbench 8.0, and again click on MySQL Workbench 8.0.36. Drag the product. Now click on MySQL Shell. Click on MySQL Shell 8.0. Then click on MySQL Shell 8.0.36. Drag it. You will see you have all the products Server, Workbench, and Shell. Now click on Next. Now click on Execute to install all of them. Now all this will start installing one by one. This is complete. Click Next. Now click on Next to perform product configuration. Here you will see port number 3306. Click on Next. Authentication method will be default. Click on Next. Here you need to add the root password. Retype password. Then click on Next. Windows Service, click on Next. Server file permissions, click on Next. Click Execute to apply the configuration. Product configuration, click on Next. Installation complete, click on Finish. Once the installation is complete, when you click on Finish, it will open MySQL Workbench. Click here and enter the password. Save and click OK. Now the workbench is started. MySQL environment variables. Now open the File Explorer of your PC to set the path. Open local disk C drive. Open Program Files. Click on MySQL. Here you will see MySQL Server, Shell, Workbench 8.0 on the screen. Click on MySQL Server 8.0 and then click on Bin. Copy the path. Minimize the screen. Now search System Environment Variables in the search bar. Open it. Go to Advanced. Click on Environment Variables. Now go to the path under System Variable. Double-click. Click on New and paste the path. Click on OK. Then Apply. Now click on OK. Now open CMD of your PC to verify the installation of MySQL. Type the command mysql --version and press Enter. You will see 8.0.36 on the screen, which means we have successfully installed MySQL. Now we will type the command to start the MySQL server for the first time. MySQL, uroot, p. Press Enter. Here you have to enter the same password which you set for your installation. Press Enter. You can see that you are welcome to MySQL Monitor. This means that the MySQL server has started successfully. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.